This is EspressoRec, the Accountants and Auditors Toolkit. What I'm going to do now is show you how to use EspressoRec in order to clean up a client's transaction listing for the year. This is an example of such a file. It contains all the journals of the entire financial year for the client. Journal number, account number, debits and credits, dates, etc. Cleaning up one of these files can take many hours or even days. EspressoRec has a feature, the Espresso Audit Transaction File Cleaner, found in My Documents EspressoRec folder, that will clean one of these files up in a matter of minutes. Over here on the right, enter the full path name of the client's transaction file and the sheet name on which the data is held. In this manual entry section here, type in the client code, client name, etc. In the mandatory columns section here, copy-paste in from row 1 of the client's file the titles the client is using. Down here are the optional columns. Then click this button to create the file. A cleaned up version of the transactions is now on this sheet. On this blue Input tab, Client Raw TV, copy-paste in the TV that the client gives you, showing the opening and the closing position. Click this button here to create a cleaned up version of this file. This final blue tab here, Transactions to TV, click this button and a reconciliation is created for you. This is the client's opening trial balance. This is the sum of all the movements. Adding those two together gives you what should be the closing trial balance according to the opening trial balance and the movement. This is the closing trial balance as is, and this shows you where the difference is so you can go through it and correct the situation. Imagine one of the journals was not correct and now without a balance. Click this button here and EspressoRec warns you with a message and colouring that this journal, or the other journals as well, that do not add up to 0 are incorrect. It allows you to continue anyway. Again, producing the transactions file, but it does leave you with a warning that these items in green do not add up to 0. EspressoRec, the Accountants and Auditors Toolkit.